These are the ingredients needed for this delightful recipe. 300 grams of all-purpose flour, which forms the base of our dough. 7 grams of brewer's yeast to help the dough rise and become fluffy. 150 grams of fresh milk to add moisture and richness. 50 grams of granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness. 50 grams of unsalted butter to enhance the flavor and texture, and a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. I carefully put the milk, butter, sugar, and yeast all together in a mixing bowl. I first dissolved a bit of the yeast in the warm milk to activate it. Now I am kneading the mixture. The dough is becoming nice and elastic, smooth to the touch. Now I shape it into a large ball. Now I divide it into many pieces, specifically 4 equal pieces, and I make 4 little rolls from these pieces. Now I roll out many thin pasta sticks to create the crèche, ensuring each stick is uniform in size and shape. There are approximately 3, 6, 8 balls. After gathering all the necessary components and materials, I meticulously assemble everything step by step. Once everything is in place and thoroughly checked, we proceed to start our work immediately, ensuring there are no unnecessary delays in our process.